In question 10, the problem statement says, explain how this figure 3.32, explain how this figure is a trapezium and which of its two sides are parallel. So a trapezium is a quadrilateral in which one pair of opposite sides are parallel. So we have to explain how in this figure one pair of opposite sides are parallel, and then we also have to specify which of the two sides are parallel. So focus on these two angles, the angle at M, which is 100 degrees, and the angle at L, which is 80 degrees. The sum of these two angles is 180 degrees, and these two angles form a pair of interior angles on the same side of ML. So if you think of NM, this line, this segment, and KL as two lines being intersected by this transversal ML, then these two angles, 100 degrees at M and 80 degrees at L, these two angles form a pair of co-interior angles, angles on the same side of the transversal, which add up to 180 degrees, and this means that NM and KL must be parallel to each other, and hence this quadrilateral should be a trapezium. So let's write out this reasoning. So we have the angle at M and the angle at L. This sum is 100 degrees plus 80 degrees, and this is equal to 180 degrees. And we note that angle M and angle L form a pair of co-interior angles. Co-interior angles means angles on the same side of transversal, interior angles on the same side of transversal. So form a pair of co-interior angles for the lines NM and KL. Which are these two lines? NM is this line here and KL is this segment here. So NM and KL, and the transversal in this case is the segment ML. So and the transversal is ML. So we have M and L being supplementary and forming a pair of co-interior angles, and this means that the two lines must be parallel. So NM must be, the segment NM must be parallel to the segment KL, and this means that the quadrilateral NMLK is a trapezium. NMLK is a trapezium because it has one pair of opposite sides being parallel to each other. So this is the reasoning for question number 10. To learn more about how QMath can help you crack school and board exams, explore QMath Leap, a live online classroom program run by highly experienced and committed teachers.